It's almost your what?
My birthday.
What'd you get?
No.
What is that stuff?
Plates and a pictures.
Yeah, plates and something for a picture. There's more in here.
Close.
And
What? My hand's in full.
your hands are getting full. There's more. Hold them out. Oh! There goes some of it. Look what else you got.
What the? These match.
They do match.
Oh, I can't pick this one.
Is it for your what?
Birthday.
For your birthday what?
Boy. No.
Is it for your party?
Yes.
What kind of party are you having?
I picked this one.
What do we say to Nana?
But thank you.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Are you excited for your party?
Mm-hmm.
How old are you going to be?
5.
All right. Say, I love you, Nana.
Love you, Nana.
Say.